Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make continuous brew kombucha. This method ensures you always have delicious, fermented tea on hand with minimal effort. We will cover everything from setting up your initial brew to maintaining it for weeks and months. You will learn the simple steps to keep your SCOBY happy and your kombucha flowing, making home brewing a breeze. Let's get started on your journey to endless kombucha. To begin, boil 8 cups of filtered water and dissolve 1 cup of granulated sugar. Then, steep 8 to 10 tea bags, using black or green tea, for about 15 minutes. Remove the tea bags and let the sweet tea cool completely to room temperature. This is crucial. Once cool, pour it into your clean glass dispenser. Finally, gently add your healthy SCOBY and 2 cups of unflavored starter kombucha to kickstart the fermentation process. Once your initial brew has fermented for 7 to 10 days, it's time to taste it. When it reaches your desired level of tartness and sweetness, you can begin drawing off your kombucha. Aim to remove about 75% of the liquid. Immediately replenish the dispenser with an equal amount of freshly prepared, cooled sweet tea. Remember to always leave at least 1/4 of the finished kombucha behind as starter for the next continuous cycle. For a thriving continuous brew, maintain a consistent temperature, ideally between 75 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Protect your dispenser from direct sunlight and strong odors, which can affect the flavor. Regularly check your SCOBY for any unusual changes like mold, which appears fuzzy and black. Every few months, you might want to remove the SCOBY and clean the dispenser to prevent sediment buildup, ensuring a fresh and healthy environment for your kombucha.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.